All right, guys, Anthony back here in the hot seat. I have Mr. Yvan Lacroix, who is here with DIY Detail.
Yes, sir.
And you guys are here to not only create content, but to also educate on DIY and walk through the line and meet a bunch of other creators.
Exactly. And we're here to support the creators.
Yes, absolutely.
That is the main reason we're here. And the event that they put on here at Car Supplies Warehouse is amazing.
It is, yeah.
I think it's the first of a kind.
I think so. And I think for the first of a kind, I was saying it earlier, it's a pretty well-oiled machine.
Oh, this is on par with TRCMA in terms of the organization and everything. TRCMA is amazing. TRCMA 2024 coming to a channel near you. Yeah. But with that, they've put on an amazing event, and the creators are so enthused with what's going on here.
Yeah.
They don't get a chance to actually meet the brands all the time.
No, not oftentimes. And I mean, maybe not more than an email, right?
No, exactly.
Or not more than a quick customer service related question. So being able to have them here in person to really do a deep dive with them and just be a real person is huge. Right?
Exactly. They get to meet Anthony.
Oh.
They got to meet Dane. They got to meet Jimmy. Jimmy is one of these people. He's always in the background, but you really need to meet Jimmy.
You need to meet Jimmy. You need to know how everything is made, right? What's the secrets behind the recipe? How do the videos look so good? It's typically Jimmy behind the camera there, and then sitting at the desk and getting everything edited away.
Right.
But it's so cool to see a lot of these creators who are shooting things on the fly, really quick format.
Right.
Everything from TikTok to YouTube, and back in the day, right? Let's just say back in the early days, the rag company, right?
Right.
It had always kind of been a production, right?
Yes.
We had pulled multiple cameras, we had multiple angles, we had mic packs and all these different things, and now things are fully wireless, right?
Right.
From the comfort of your cell phone.
Yes.
And you're able to shoot amazing looking video without all the extra stuff. So some of these people are doing cell phone content, and it's awesome.
Exactly. They're doing cell phone content. They have the wireless mics, and they're really professional at it, which is nice. And a lot of these creators, this is the first time they're meeting other creators.
Yeah.
They're getting in there, and one of the best known, we'll put it that way, Pan the organizer is here.
Yep.
And he's such a generous person. He's reaching out, he's literally inviting all the creators that are here to come on his channel, let's do a collaboration, let's do a podcast, whatever. So it's stuff like that that is heartwarming, that this industry really is a family. And events like this bring us all together even more.
Yep. And so, I mean, to your point there too, I mean, it's cool to see, not only Pan doing a ton of work, but it's cool to see even maybe some of the smaller guys, right, that are here that are still on the rise, right, within their YouTube creation or within their social media creation. And it's cool to see their different takes and how they do things, and their relationship building along with us and you.
Exactly.
And I feel like they're learning a lot of cool things, right? I mean, you're Mr. Efficiency. You're teaching all sorts of cool tips and tricks. And I guess what would you say has been maybe some of your favorite stuff that you've shot here this weekend or this last few days?
Well, last few days, yeah. Jason Autonis, his wife, Amy, great person.
I heard about this.
Yeah. She basically runs the place. We'll give her, give credit where credit is due. She's never really polished a car before.
I heard about that.
Yeah. So instead of doing the standard, let's put a DA in her hand and show her how easy it is. No, I put a rotary in her hand and got her to finish with a rotary on her first try.
That is a little intimidating, right? But
well, it's not intimidating if you don't know the rotary is supposed to be intimidating.
There you go. That's actually the secret right there, right? Rotary's not scary. What are you talking about?
Not at all.
It's actually the easiest machine, and you start with that first, right? And to your point, she did. And did she do a good job? Flawless
finish on a hood that had paint softer than butter.
So I guess that says a lot right there.
Yeah.
And so it's cool seeing what we're able to do, right, as vendors or as people within the industry that have maybe been in here for a little while, being able to kind of show tips and tricks or just kind of educate on certain things. Like, for example, Carlos, right?
Yes.
He'd never done a rinseless wash before.
No.
Ever,
I know.
And he had told me he had attempted, but he had bad results, right?
Well, rinseless washing, as you know, as much as I do,
Yep.
rinseless washing is a technique. It is not a product. It is a technique. And once you learn the technique, it's easy. It's simple.
Yep.
But the first time you washed a car with soap, you didn't know how to do it either. You learn the technique. The first time you wash with rinseless, you learn the technique.
Yep.
And once you learn the technique, you've got it for life. It's easy, it's simple, it's fast, it's efficient, and it's fun.
100%. And he looked at the finish after everything was done, and he was genuinely mind blown. And I thought it was kind of okay. Maybe it's just for the camera. The camera shut off, and he looked at me and goes, "So I didn't know it could do things like that. And I didn't know it could clean like that. And he's feeling the surface, and he goes, "That's clean." And I said, "It is."
Of course.
Clean. And I said, and I'm done with this side.
Yeah.
And he goes, "That's hard for me to." He's like, "It's hard for me to wrap my head around that you are done."
Right.
And I said, "You are done.
Yeah.
The car is clean, and we can now move on to the other side or whatever else I need to do, and then I can give the keys back to the customer."
Yeah.
And he was like, "That's pretty game changing."
Yeah, it is.
And again, it's a technique thing, and it's learning that. But so some people are kind of new, and some people still need to learn this stuff. But that's why I feel that it's so necessary that we're here as well.
Yeah, definitely. And one of the things that I found most interesting, and this isn't public facing to anyone, Jason Audenis had 2 talks in the morning, and the one this morning was on content creation.
Yeah.
And how to help the smaller channels and even the bigger channels. Everyone learned something from that talk. It was an open forum discussion. Everybody got to say their due and their point and all that. And one thing that we learned from Pan, the organizer, is always ask people to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give us a thumbs up. And don't forget the comments down below.
Yeah.
But, yeah.
It makes a huge difference.
Exactly. Like at TRCMA, there is some old guy with a sign once in a while behind people.
Whoever that guy was.
Yeah, wearing a bow tie, a beard. And,
Yeah.
But anyways, that's an important part of content creation.
It's
reminding people that you can subscribe and hit the notification bell.
It doesn't cost you anything,
No.
right? But it helps that person out tremendously.
Yeah.
Right? It gets them in the eyes of more people, and it's something that keeps them going as well, right?
Exactly.
Because if you're creating content for many, many years and you're not giving somebody a cue to at least say, "Hey, help me out and like and subscribe," you may not get the views, you may not get the subscriptions, you may not get the likes, and it could be kind of like it kind of lets you down, right?
Right.
And, what these people have done is they've kind of figured out a way to say, "Hey, make sure to like and follow for more and keep following me," and it motivates them. It gets them to create more content for you to enjoy.
Yeah.
And again, it doesn't cost anything.
No,
it's
and
free.
there's one person I met here that I honestly never saw his channel at all.
Yeah.
WD Details. He's got 500,000 followers.
Yep.
Does the disaster detail style, but he doesn't see of himself as providing detailing content.
Yeah.
He's providing entertainment.
Yeah.
And the Rag Company has always been great at providing not only education, detailing content, and entertainment. He's focusing on the entertainment section of that. Now, you'll learn a little from what he does.
Absolutely.
But his content, I watched it, and it's amazingly entertaining.
It is very entertaining.
Yeah.
And I go, "Holy smokes, where are you getting these cars from?" And he goes, "I go and find the cars."
Right.
He's like, "I literally go and search for the cars. I go to a different state to get these cars."
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
And I go, "I like that you're honest about that, and I like that I'm knowing how these things
Yeah.
are actually coming about." Because let's be honest, right? I see some of these disaster details, and I go, "Who lets her get their car that to that point?"
Well,
which I'm not saying that people don't.
No,
They do. But
they do. But to that point, I've done work for a movie set, making a car into a disaster detail car.
Yeah.
So reverse detailing it.
Yeah.
So it is possible, and I'm sure there are some channels out there that do that. But no, his are genuine, like barn
bad.
finds. Yeah,
It's
they're bad. So what you see on his channel, they're really disaster details.
They really are.
Yeah.
We can verify that now.
Yeah, exactly.
He
actually
walked us
wanted
through.
to bring a car here. Had they had a bay that he could have left a car here for the whole time,
Yeah.
he would have done a disaster detail here with all of us.
I think it was the bug problem with some of these
Yeah,
cars,
exactly,
right?
yeah.
And I think they didn't want to contaminate the space
The mouse
with
feces.
roaches
Yeah.
and mice and ants and whatnot, and everything in between. But no, Ivan, I think that you have been awesome here, and I think that so many people were so excited to see you because you trained a lot of these people. You showed a lot of these people their first techniques on YouTube, whether it was through the TRC channel or whether it's through your own avenues. And I think it's just been awesome. And so with that said, I'm looking forward to hopefully many more years of this. And would you come back next year?
Oh, definitely. It's already on my schedule.
Yeah,
As soon as they announce it, it'll be written down. As long as they don't, conflict with TRCMA, we're good.
Perfect. And so where can people find DIY Detail?
Any social media, just look for DIY Detail.
Okay, and they'll learn some tips, tricks, and everything in between.
Yeah.
And then, of course, you can pick up DIY right here at Car Supplies Warehouse, where you can stock up, you can go use the bays, you can go try out different products, try out different towels, and everything in between. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see who's next in the hot seat, and enjoy.